Hi guys, welcome back to New Dram Drinker. This video is going to be a little bit more of an informational video. So as you saw probably the thumbnail and the description, it is called What, Why and When. So we'll get into the what first. It's a series that's going to be starting next Saturday at 10 AM and it's going to be called New Dram Drinker, pouring it, drinking it, enjoying it with friends. Basically, it's going to be us asking some of our friends from YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, if they want to join in with us and give us their notes on whiskies that we've got on our shelf that they have already got notes on, or they do new notes for us so that we can compare ours to theirs. So I would bring them up on the screen here and you'll see their notes, and then we will give our notes as well and we can see what the differences are. And it's not to say that anybody's is right, we're all just different. So if you don't even get what our two lots of notes say, there is nothing wrong with it. It is completely fine. You just enjoy your whiskey a different way and your palates are just different to ours. So there's no harm, no foul. So that's basically the what. Now the why part of it is, when we're doing our videos, we found that we struggle with the vocabulary of what words to use to explain different things. And we wanted to be able to ask other people what they get so that we can maybe use their terminology to help expand ours and hopefully expand yours at the same time. So you can kind of learn along with us as we continue on our whiskey journey with friends, and to bring the community of YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook into this, and we're all just friends helping each other on our journeys, our individual journeys, taking what we need to take from all these different videos that are on YouTube about the wonderful whiskey that we drink. The when, like I said before, it is a week today at 10 o'clock on the Saturday, so keep your eye open for that. We have got Gregoire from Greg's Whiskey Guide with his first lot of notes for the Glenmorangie Signet, so keep your eyes out for that if that's a whiskey that you're interested in learning a little bit more about the notes that you could be getting from that. Not should, because that's entirely your palate, so what you could be getting. So yeah, keep your eye out for that, and we just want to thank everybody who's agreed to do the videos. There's been many more of you than we ever dreamed we would get. If you watch these videos, enjoy them, and you want your notes to appear like here, then send us your notes. Just have a look on the video. If you can see a whiskey that's on the shelf or down below, send us a message, let us know, and we'll get your notes up on here to help us and everybody else as well. I mean, we'd love that, to be honest. So if you do that, that's awesome. So thank you. I won't take any more of your time. Enjoy your weekend and we will see you soon.